Hi guys, I'm Gia. Welcome to my class. Have you ever confused with the using of 还是 and 或者? They both mean or in English. Today we will learn how to use them. Actually, it's quite easy to distinguish them. Only you need to remember that 或者 only used in declarative sentences, while 还是 in interrogative sentences. Now, let's look at some examples. Here, there is coffee and tea. When you want to ask your friend, you drink coffee or drink tea, how to say in Chinese? 你喝咖啡还是喝茶? Here, the second verb, 喝 can be omitted. If your friend answers, coffee please, in Chinese, it can say 我喝咖啡. The second example, there is rice and noodle. When you want to ask your friend, would you like to eat rice or noodle? How to say in Chinese? 你想吃米饭还是面条? Here, 想吃 can be omitted. Just say 你想吃米饭还是面条? If the answer is noodle please, in Chinese it can say 我想吃面条. Now we turn to 或者 used in declarative sentences. We also use the previous examples. If the answer is either coffee or drink tea is fine, we can say in Chinese, 喝咖啡或者喝茶都可以. In the second example, if the answer is either eating rice or noodle is fine, in Chinese we say 吃米饭或者吃面条都可以. Above is the first difference between 还是 and 或者. Now let's continue. 还是 used in sentences with an interrogative clause, while 或者 don't have this function. Let's look at the two examples. The first one, he hasn't decided yet whether to climb a mountain or on weekends or to go swimming. In Chinese, we need to use 还是. 他还没想好周末去爬山还是去游泳. This sentence ends up with full stop. Okay? Now let's see the second example. Two places, Shanghai and Guangzhou. I don't know she wants to go Shanghai or Guangzhou. How to say this sentence in Chinese? Yeah, we also use 还是. 我不知道她想去上海还是广州. Full stop, okay? Okay, now let's make a summary of this class. We learned difference between 还是 and 或者. The first difference is 还是 used in interrogative sentences, while 或者 used in declarative sentences. The second difference, 还是 can be used in sentences with an interrogative clause, while 或者 cannot. So guys, now are you clear about the difference between 还是 and 或者? Any questions? Please let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.